Very cool. And then they have these. Okay, Dee, kick off our video. You can introduce it today, and then we'll go to the intro. Where are we?
We're at the Gatehouse Winery in Jamestown, PA.
But it's not just a winery.
No, this is a winery here.
And then over there.
Over here to the right is a brewery.
Where we just ordered lunch from. We're going to have dinner from the winery tonight. And you're probably saying, why are you staying at the winery?
Because we are harvest hosting tonight. Our first harvest host, actually.
Couldn't be a nicer day. The wind is blowing. We have this fantastic cider out of Pittsburgh. Later there's going to be a band, a 60s, 70s, and 80s rock band up on that stage there. And we have our friends, Tony and Lisa, coming from home. They're going to just come over for dinner and listen to some music. Now, I got to tell you what happened coming over here. Our RV GPS kind of screwed up. I started following Google, and as we made a turn, Dee said, 10.4 clearance. We're 11.7. So needless to say, we had to find a place big enough in a farm to make a U-turn. And then
we looked out and found one real quick.
We quit following Google.
Yeah.
And we got here. But that could have been a disaster.
Oh my gosh.
I'm so glad you saw that.
Me too.
Guys, a good navigator, there is no price for them. Can everybody see those clouds in the back of me? It looks like a screensaver. It is such a beautiful day here. And every once in a while, this beautiful breeze comes through.
Yeah.
We're one of 2 campers here. There's another Class A sitting up in the field. And we pulled quite a ways from them, I think.
Yeah.
And
this is a great pit stop. If you're in this area, highly, highly recommend the pizza. It's the best pizza, honestly, I've ever had. It's delicious.
They have several different kinds, but we had the roasted tomato,
spinach, and creamy mozzarella.
And there's something about that creamy word that makes it good. Anyhow, yeah, we recommend this place. We found it when we were at the KOA. I'll link to that video here. You can go see that one. We do not recommend the KOA. But while we were here having lunch one day, we met another couple that was camped here through the Harvest Host program. Mm-hmm. And we are Harvest Hosts, so we said, well, why are we in the crappy KOA when we could have a drink and walk, 100 yards to our bed tonight. So here is the summary of
Gatehouse.
I was going to say Hell's Gate, but it's a Gatehouse Winery. It's a Harvest Host over in Pennsylvania, in Jamestown, Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
The band's still playing. We had some unbelievable pizza again. We've had it before.
Oh my gosh.
In fact, my review's on there once already, but I'm going to put another one on. But as far as the campsite, it's great. They do have a band here, so there's a lot of cars here right now, but at 9 o'clock, this place is going to clear out.
Yeah, it's Harvest House, not campsite, but...
What did I say?
Campsite.
Oh, Harvest House. Sorry, it's a Harvest Host, and we're boondocking in the Jayco Greyhawk. So, anyhow, we had a great time, and
got a nice little goodie bag when we came.
Oh yeah. So it was a goodie bag. It was
treats for the dog, a little sheet for a free flight of wine,
cork for the wine.
Yeah.
And we had some good friends meet us here for dinner. We really enjoyed that. They left us cookies. Come on, that never is bad. And we've got our coffee, which you've probably seen our video on how we do that when we're boondocking. But we actually just we heat up water and we do a pour over of the grounds. Yep. And so we're gonna have some good coffee and some cookies and donuts in the morning, and then we're gonna be off and rolling.
And I think Bailey's tired. He had enough.
Oh my gosh, is he tired?
Huh, baby? You're tired, huh? Yes.
So we're coming back from the Harvest Host. We didn't have very far to go today, so we decided to trail the Betty White, our Jeep, behind us. So I'm up here in the Bird, and Dee and Bailey are back in the Jeep, and we've only got about 40 miles left to go. So just some thoughts on the Harvest Host. You know, if you're using it 3-4 times a year, it's less than a regular campground. If you like wineries like Dee and I like wineries, you're going to go anyhow. replace the dry cell with. We only used a third of it last night, and we had the lights on playing parts up until about 10 o'clock. So we were probably in there from 9 to 10:30 probably with lights on. It was a very nice evening. Our good friends and actually neighbors, Tony and Lisa, came up to have dinner with us. They stayed until about 8 o'clock, and then about 9 o'clock they quit playing music, and about 9:30 everybody started moving out of there.